The 2025 Lexus RX 350 boasts a bold and refined exterior, featuring a striking spindle grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted body lines. Presented by Bell Lexus North Scottsdale, with available 21-inch alloy wheels and a sleek coupe-like silhouette, the RX 350 blends luxury with sporty appeal. A variety of premium color options and stylish accents enhance its sophisticated presence on the road. Equipped with a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine producing 275 horsepower, the RX 350 delivers a smooth yet powerful drive. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, it offers confident acceleration and responsive handling. Available all-wheel drive ensures stability and traction in various road conditions, making every journey effortless and enjoyable. The rear seats of the RX 350 provide generous legroom and plush seating, ensuring a comfortable ride for passengers. Available reclining and heated rear seats enhance long trip comfort, while premium materials create a first-class experience. The spacious cabin and optional panoramic sunroof make the back seats feel open and inviting. The RX 350's cabin is a sanctuary of luxury, featuring soft-touch materials, ambient lighting, and exquisite craftsmanship. Premium leather upholstery, wood or aluminum trims, and an ergonomic design create a sophisticated and inviting space. The driver-focused cockpit ensures intuitive access to all controls while maintaining a modern and elegant aesthetic. Packed with cutting-edge technology, the RX 350 features a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a digital driver display, head-up display, and available Mark Levinson premium audio system provide an immersive driving experience. Advanced voice controls and over-the-air updates keep the tech fresh and intuitive. Lexus prioritizes safety with the RX 350, offering the Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 as standard. Features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and an advanced pre-collision system. Available options like a 360-degree camera and traffic jam assist further enhance driver confidence and security. Everyday convenience is at the heart of the RX 350, with hands-free power liftgate, keyless entry, and a wireless charging pad. Multiple USB-C ports, a digital rearview mirror, and an available remote park assist feature add ease to daily commutes. The expansive cargo space makes it perfect for road trips and errands alike. The 2025 Lexus RX 350 combines luxury, performance, and technology in a stylish and versatile package. With a refined design, advanced features, and exceptional comfort, it continues to set the benchmark for premium midsize SUVs. Whether commuting or embarking on a road trip, the RX 350 delivers an elevated driving experience. You can view our selection at BellLexusNorthScottsdale.com. Give us a call at 480-566-6788 or visit our showroom today.